Watch this lady. She is growing plants in a loop system. She feeds some of her plants to the chickens, and then she collects their poop to use as fertilizer. She starts by taking a tray of chicken poop and shovels it into a bucket. After she has emptied the tray, she adds a fermenting agent to the poop in the bucket and seals it. Next, she places the tray back down and lines it with a layer of dry rice husks. She then sprinkles more fermenting agent over the husks. This new setup allows her to collect fresh poop and ferment it at the same time. She finishes by showing the healthy plants that are part of this cycle. What if you joined the green crew and helped lessen the mess of waste? Got into recycling and worked towards a healthier earth?